Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Liz, and in today's video, we're at Dollar Tree. We all know that Dollar Tree recently raised their prices to $1.25. I've been noticing a lot of controversy in my comments, people upset about it. I'm not happy about it either. So I'm going to show you the products that are worth $1.25, and I'm going to prove it to you by going to other stores and comparing the products. I'm over in the gift bag section, and these items are some of the best worth $1.25. You can get really large gift bags for $1.25 versus buying them at Walmart or Target. They can be anywhere from like $3 to $7. Now, one thing you guys may not know is cards actually stayed 2 for $1. They didn't go up in price. You can still get your greeting cards 2 for $1. This definitely beats the prices of cards at Walmart and Target. Let's talk party supplies. I'm going to show you what I think you should still be picking up. One, these happy birthday signs, $1.25. Also, these little throwaway tablecloths that you put on your table to get all the cake and stuff that the kids put out, these are still a great price, and I love this little sparkly one. For your happy birthday napkins, you get 20 in here for $1.25. Your plates, you get 16 for $1.25. Now, this craft section that we all love can be a bit deceiving. Some of these items are worth $1.25, some you can get a better deal elsewhere. Let me show you what to grab at Dollar Tree. Yarn is definitely a must grab for $1.25. I love this gray one. There's so many fun colors here. You get 98 yards for $1.25. That beats the competitors. This one's 109 yards. If you've made it this far in the video, thank you so much for watching. Comment the word of the day, which is yarn. I've been really impressed with Dollar Tree's roller cutter for just $1.25. It's worked really great to cut fabric. I have a comparable one that I grabbed at Walmart that's way more expensive. I think that the brush sets are definitely worth that $1.25 price point. I've picked up several different packs here. You guys, look, they have dragonflies. They just started carrying these craft pickers and craft spatulas. You guys, these are such an awesome deal. $1.25, definitely worth each of these. Way more expensive on comparable sites. I don't think all the frames are worth $1.25, but I definitely think the 11 by 14 frame, for the size and the price, this is a great deal. Florals. Now, florals are definitely cheaper when you buy them at Dollar Tree. Even at the $1.25 price point, you're going to get this floral for $1.25. Now, you can spend a lot more at stores like Hobby Lobby buying florals, but I still think at the end of the day, this is a better price point. They're just not going to look as realistic as some of the higher end stores. All right, I'm in the florals. Succulents are still a better deal versus getting them anywhere else at the $1.25 price point. So grab them at Dollar Tree versus the other stores. I see a lot of people posting that makeup is a great deal at their store. I feel like my store really doesn't have that many great makeup brands. So let me know, do you guys think makeup is worth $1.25 in your stores? If you like to buy eco-friendly products at Dollar Tree, you can actually grab eco-friendly products for super cheap, a lot cheaper than you would buy online. This is a 40 pack of floss picks for $1.25. I've also grabbed eco-friendly toothbrushes, those bamboo kind, but I don't see any today, but keep an eye out in your store. My channel is so close to getting to 700,000 subscribers. It's my goal for this summer. If you love seeing my content, consider subscribing to my channel. The 11x9 roaster pan that has like a lid that you can put on top, this is still cheaper than you can buy at Walmart. Walmart, a 2-pack is over $3. This you can get one for $1.25, so 2 for $2.50. So still grab these at Dollar Tree. Now, shelf liner can be pretty controversial. I still prefer to buy mine at Dollar Tree. I think they have a lot of fun patterns, so I enjoy that. You may find a little bit better quality at a higher end store, but I still like the one here at Dollar Tree better, and it's cheaper. Glass ramekins, you get a set of 4. This is a great deal. You're not going to beat this price. Now with food storage, it's kind of a toss-up. I kind of thought that maybe you could get better prices at Walmart, but we found with like these Rubbermaid containers that the price was very comparable from Dollar Tree to Walmart. So really, I think you could grab it at either location. If you guys like seeing my Dollar Tree shopping trips, make sure you're following me on Instagram at Fenwick DIY. I post Instagram stories all the time of my behind the scenes shopping trips. You guys know I love the organizers here, and they're definitely still cheaper than you can get at other stores. I love ones like this. This one would be great to put in your refrigerator. You could put it on a shelf. I've bought lots of organization over the years, and I'm still going to be buying it at Dollar Tree. Love these felt pads. They are a great deal, way better than any other store. Definitely get them for $1.25. I'm over in the paint supply section. I think these paint scrapers are a great tool. One, they have like a metal piece at the bottom, and I think $1.25 is great for these. I use them to scrape off labels. I use them when I'm putting like putty on walls. They just have a lot of multi-uses. What do you think's worth $1.25 at Dollar Tree? Let me know down in the comments what I missed, and I'll talk to you in our next one. Bye.